Hey everyone, I'm Sharoz Ahmed and I'm here to give a speech on a topic how pollution is negatively affecting humans. Right now, if I talk about most crucial problems or issues of the world, I would name pollution one of them because it's affecting human health, the biodiversity on a bigger scale. The air pollution, noise pollution, water pollution are results of a lot of disease right now spreading among humans and living organisms. These all kind of pollutions, they are tied to change in the climate and also in the ecosystems and the biodiversity. However, pollution is a dramatic effect for natural resources, and several ecosystems have been impaired due to this. For example, the freshwater ecosystem, the forest ecosystem, they have been damaged because of the pollution. We will, through the whole speech, we will be discussing the growing effects of pollution, the causes, the needs to stop the pollution, what kind of strategies should be implemented in order to get this pollution stopped. First of all, let's get towards the causes, the problems which pollution have led to this world. First of all, I will talk about indoor and outdoor pollutions, which are a big cause for environmental health problems. The indoor pollution includes your breathing of dirt, gases, dust, due to the wood stoves, and also the outdoor pollution. It includes the combustion of fossil fuels in the traffic, from the industries, from the chimneys of the factories. They release CO2, they release sulfur dioxide into the air, and which is the main cause of spreading disease among humans like cancer. This is the most severe disease ever happened to the mankind. On the other hand, the noise pollution is unwantedly affecting humans, and it is leaving harmful effects. It is regular exposure to the elevated sound level on a daily basis. However, according to the World Health Organization, sound levels more than 70 dB, they are dangerous, they are harmful for the living organisms, not only the humans, living organisms, the mammals, the aquatic life everywhere. The sounds due to the airplanes, the sounds due to the ships, the heavy ships into the oceans. All these sounds, the traffic, they are harmful for the humans and for the health. The biggest problem, environmental pollution, which is the irreparable damage to the natural world. This is the contamination of physical and biological components into the environment, and they are adversely affecting the same environment. When they get increased, they start to affect the environment. All right, let's get towards the solution or strategies which we can implement in order to reduce all the pollution. First of all, I would suggest to decrease the trips, decrease or reduce the amount of trips we use on our own cars. If the distance is less, we should walk, we should take a bike, the city bikes if they are available in your city, or we can share a ride. Instead of going in our own car, we can car loop in order to stop this. This is a crucial one. And we need to reduce or eliminate. You can reduce or you can eliminate the fireplaces or wood stoves in your houses. The wood you burn, it comes from the deforestation. They cut the woods, so the trees they don't produce no oxygen. You burn the woods in your house, it releases CO2 into the environment, and that's really damaging. So we should reduce or we should eliminate it. And we should also avoid the burning of the trashes, the burning of the leaves or materials, because they lead to add substances, add the gases like CO2, the methane, which are really damaging for the human health. Let's visualize all these strategies, like what are their results. So why should we implement this? Why should we be reducing the trips? Why should we be recycling everything? Let's get towards it. So when you reduce the car, like when you reduce the amount of trips you use every week or every month, the first thing, the combustion of fossil fuels. No more combustion of fossil fuels. You are reducing. So the amount of carbon dioxide going into the atmosphere, it reduces, it comes down, and the less fuel is burning. So you are saving energy. And by stopping the waste materials into the water or into the land, what can happen? So when you release the waste materials into the water, the aquatic life, they gets damaged. They cannot live. And same is with the land. When you release some harmful substances on the land, you cannot grow some crops over there. You cannot even do that. So when you reduce or when you stop this, obviously the aquatic life, it is gonna boom. And same with the land. You can grow crops, and that's very advantageous for everyone who owns some part of land anywhere in the world. I own some land back in the home, so same is the case. And the most crucial one, afforestation. We should be planting forests. We should be planting trees. It should be responsibility of everybody to plant a tree, to plant on the roadside. Because when you plant, the first thing, the trees, they add oxygen to the environment, and that leads to a very happy environment, and also it helps the eroded land to recover. So this is the crucial one. I would like a lot of things that are needed to be done. The public transport should be promoted. Trash cans should be promoted. The use of plastic bags should be banned. The dumping of wastewater materials should be banned. So to think about this issue and highlighting of this, it's everyone's responsibility. And if someone doesn't do this, a lot of people can face the death if you negligible this issue. Thank you so much. I hope you like my speech. It's kind of long, but thank you so much.